Howdy, I'm Gary, Dillon Precision's Human Manual. I'm here to discuss tech tips for the Super 1050 Dillon's high-speed progressive reloader. The bolt that holds the tool head ratchet to the tool head is also what manipulates the primer cam arm assembly to move the primer slide in and out from underneath the shell plate and back to pick up a primer. About every 10,000 cycles, this bolt needs to be lubricated where it goes through the camming cut in the cam arm assembly. So it's easy if you just pull the handle partway down and then just take a cotton swab with a little grease around this bolt. You can also run some grease in the camming raceway. And that's all it takes.